2016 Chevy Traverse. Are you ready to do the Serpentine belt? Let's do it. First thing we want to do is jack the vehicle up, put it on jack stands, and we'll pull the tire off. So now under the vehicle, you have this little flap. There's 2 clips. We pop those clips out in this flap. Gives us enough room that we can get under there on our belt tensioner. So right there is our belt tensioner. We want to turn it clockwise. Let me set you up in a better spot. It is a 1/2 inch drive. Let me get my tool on here. We want to go clockwise. There we go. All right, we'll take it off the crank. There we go. Take my tool out. Perfect. Get this off of everything. We're just caught on the alternator. There we go. And we'll slide this back behind the tensioner. There we go. All right, let's get our new belt. All right, let's route the new belt. Now my hands will probably be in your way, so I'll throw the diagram on the screen as well, so you have access to that. Get this around this pulley here. There we go. Wow, putting that new belt on is a booger. It is on there really tight. What helped me is having a long ratchet that I could put in my tool. That was a lifesaver. Also, double check your routing. I had the routing wrong the first time I put the belt on. So just double check your routing. But we do have it on, so let's go ahead and start it up and we'll double check belt alignment. All right, looks like the belt is tracking good. I think we got it. All right, that's it. All the tools and parts will be linked in the description. If you have any questions, comments, post down below. And if you need to do your spark plugs, click on this video and we'll walk through that together. Thanks for watching. 2016 Chevy Traverse.